Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Kendia's World. Today we're doing a tutorial on these gorgeous Bantu knots. If you guys are interested into learning how to do this protective style, stay tuned. Okay, so my hair is already washed and detangled. I'm taking a rat tail comb and splitting my hair from ear to ear. I parted mine down the middle so that way I can have a better direct sense of my part, where it's going. Next, I'm going to take a scrunchie and tie my hair up so it won't be in the way. Okay guys, so this side of my head is done. I'm gonna show y'all guys how I'm doing this side because I showed it to you in the time lapse, but it was going really fast and I thought it was gonna slow down, but it didn't. So I just parted, boxes is two all the way up, and then I did these two small braids. Okay, so I've put away my hair so it won't get in the way. My hair is parted straight back, and then I'm going to split it down the middle into two. I'm using Blue Magic castor oil, the castor oil hair grease, and I'm putting it like on in my parts, and then I'm parting my hair and putting it in my parts as well. Because with the rubber bands, I don't know about y'all, but it makes my hair really like dry when I do like rubber band styles. So I grease my scalp before when I do, my rubber band styles. And I already oiled them. This is the type of oil I'm using. I don't know I can't pronounce the brand, but it's the apple and aloe apple seed oil. Put this on my rubber bands because rubber bands can break off your hair, so I put oil on them so when I do get ready to, when I do put them on my hair, it's not gonna hurt my hair as much as it would as if I put dry rubber bands on it. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and I'm gonna split. I'm looking in the mirror over here, so I'm gonna split this down the middle. And we just doing square parts today. No, nothing like, too fancy. Then I'm gonna take my red shining gem. I used to use a yellow one, but this works so good. Like if you're a braider, like this is amazing. It's more expensive, but it's definitely worth all the coins. Like, it's worth every dime. Gonna use some shining gem. I'm gonna take one of my oiled rubber bands and put it on there, period. Guys, I'm gonna come back when I'm done rubber banding my hair. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did it on this side. Okay, so I already crisscrossed. I'm doing crisscross. It's six boxes all in total. I crossed this one over and I already put a rubber band on it. So I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. You're gonna take this piece and you're literally gonna twist it in your fingers like a finger roll, a finger coil, and twist until you get to the end, not the very end, but enough for it to cross over and be straight. And then you're gonna pull that with your other one and you're gonna twist it, not a lot, but just a little bit for stability. And then once that is over there, it should look like this, like a little X. Y'all see that? I don't know if you can see that. But periods. Now we're gonna do this side, and it's very simple. Just keep going across. So we're gonna take this front twist that we just did, and we're gonna take it, twist it all the way out Your twist should look really very neat and tight like that. I'm not putting any product on the hair that I'm twisting. I'm just going, you know. So now I'm gonna do the 2 small braids. So I got 2 small braids on this side and I'm gonna repeat it on this side. So, all right, and you wanna get this part as straight as possible because for me, I don't use any product on these little small braids because it makes the hair very slippery. So you want to get the part as straight as possible so you don't have to, you know, go in and fix anything or it looks, you know, because the part will show because the braid is so small. So make sure your part is straight. So now that your hair is parted off, I take a little grease, just a little bit of hair grease, and grease the tips of my hair. My tips of my finger. And then I'm gonna take, I don't know if y'all guys can see this, but I'm gonna take 3 strands and I'm gonna start braiding. All right. And on the other side, I braided them all the way down, but you do not have to braid them all the way down because I'm gonna put, the braids are gonna go into the Bantu knots. So you don't have to braid them all the way down. I just braid them all the way down because that's what I'm used to doing. So now we're gonna do this one and I'll put it in time lapse and I'm gonna show y'all, you know, I'm gonna finish the middle part of my hair and I'm gonna show y'all how I part off from my Bantu knots. So I just finished rubber banding this side. I'm gonna redo this middle braid because I don't like the way it's looking. I want it tighter, but I'm gonna show y'all that after this. So what I'm doing is I took this side and I just twisted it back all the way until the last one. So just like how I did this side, I'm twisting it back into the other. Okay, and then I'm gonna pick up that last section and I'm taking a rubber band and my arms get tired. Okay. Alright, and it should look like that on both sides, period. And I'm gonna take this braid down, this little braid. Okay. So the next step, I'm gonna start parting off the back of my hair, and I'm gonna do big parts in the back. I just want to do a cute little design in the front, but I'm gonna do big parts in the back. All right. Finished parting off my hair, and it's 3 parts. So this bottom piece, the middle piece, and then front. I don't know if y'all can see. Okay. Here I'm just taking my shiny gem and putting it on all over my part. I'm then taking my bristle brush, brushing it in, and then putting a rubber band on it. I do the same thing to the other part, and then I start to braid it down all the way to the end. Started off, braided it, and gelled it up, brushed it, and braided it down. Just braid the braid all the way down to the end because, like I said, this is a protective style, and the it's not going to be any hair left out. So okay, y'all, I'm done. This is the finished look. I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm gonna take my crochet needle and my pack of hair. I am using this section braid, and I'm gonna crochet it in, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I crochet it in and stuff. Like, I'm gonna do like the back and stuff first, and I'm gonna come back after like I get towards the front. Okay, so I'm on the last 2 knots. This is how it's looking so far. But I'm so excited. So I only used 2 bundles of hair out of the whole packet. So when you go to the hair store, you don't have to buy the big packet like I do. I just bought a big packet because I change for hair a lot, and a lot of the times I need braiding hair, so I just got big packets. But you can go to the store and get like the little packets. I think they're like $1 of the like easy braid. It's so like, I love that hair, and it's pre-stretched and stuff. So you're taking a little piece of hair like this. You gotta take your crochet needle. I like my needle like this with the hook. Gonna put it under your rubber bands. Just out the way. And then you're gonna take the very end, not the very end, but the end of it where it gets thin at, and you're gonna put it in the hook. And you literally slide it through and down, and then just pull it. Okay, you wrap the hair around take one strand of hair and wrap it around your actual braid, and then you're gonna take the other strand of hair and wrap it around the hair that you just wrapped around your braid, but you're gonna wrap it like this way. And this is to make sure that none of your real hair is sticking out of the wrap. And then you're just gonna start twisting. Make sure that you hold your knot, your Bantu knot, and twist your hair like very, I would say tight, but it doesn't have to be very, very tight, but it needs to be tight, because you don't want it to come loose. But you're just gonna keep wrapping. See that, y'all? Wrap. And then you can do one more wrap, and then the rest of it is literally, you're going to take the rest of the hair, you're gonna tuck it under your Bantu knot. And this is gonna help your Bantu knot from so it's gonna prevent it from moving, from falling off your head, and it's gonna help it really stay in place. look so good. Like, I look gorgeous. Let me know if you guys think this was a good tutorial. I'm sorry if I didn't go into detail enough, but I'm trying. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know, what some styles that you guys want to see next. Leave a like for me. Subscribe, share, keep doing what you guys been doing, which is supporting me. I love you guys so much, and thank you for all that you have done. Alrighty, I'm going to get up out of here.